Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the blueprint for my dream home, and this kitchen, it is insane. We're talking Modern Tudor meets organic cottage-core, and it is totally giving cozy vibes. Wow. First off, the light. The whole space, which is roughly 14 feet by 18 feet, is just drenched in natural sunshine thanks to that gigantic grid window. It's like having a live painting above the farmhouse sink. And the colors? Oh my gosh. It's this perfect pastel sage green on the cabinets, contrasted with this gorgeous light oak flooring. It feels so fresh and calm, you know? It's honestly a game changer. But wait, look at the island. It's solid oak, right? And it's a massive, generous size, about 5 feet 6 inches long, perfect for rolling out dough or just dumping groceries. The ceilings feel so high, maybe 9 feet, which makes the room feel airy, not cramped. And we need to talk about the hardware. All that exposed brass on the handles, the pot filler, and those industrial dome pendant lights, they add just the right amount of vintage warmth. Honestly, this design fixes the whole boring white kitchen drama. No clutter, no dark corners, just pure, organized, organic beauty. It's the dream home definition. I could seriously live right here in this little bistro nook having coffee every morning. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.